Mrantia no any technical team no SN regroup here training section and so etimi e course ni nyina ahead of Echina gamer Ghana any Trinidad and Tobago and so airborne no and so and our mumma me other picture no na yenhwe de wa de se Kwame Poku and so any nuamo endra na omon so training no and so etimi koi and no and so the free Black Stars and so a camp and so bantino ohwe abrantia your friend Kwame Poku, Beye, and Lawrence Ejekum, and our friend so Caleb Yirenchi, Omunina, and so Andra Omutimi, training. And it just say, yes, Sulemana, yes, Ibrahim, Abrantenisia Kai, and Atalanta. Now, wouldn't say a first game no na Omedru camp, Andra, Abranteno, and so etme, Abedru camp, Kabakama. Now, Mumame, Caleb Yirenchi, Abranteno, and Ukiade, or born the first game. And my Black Stars of Ghana. We didn't come out at the Ghana for.
Good opportunity for me to help and do my best and give my best to the team. That was basically the main goal. Yeah. I think it was fine. I had a lot of praise. I think it's just we keep going and then yeah.
And so Caleb Irenchi Abrantewe Yene Nigeria no Obedia Gro Papa Osiakai Edema FC Nordjylland. Now udim say as Michael Essien ononso ena chese wetimi atretene akwadaya sisiano Ghana enso emfaso abaso ede amaye eno enso honsam na mama me Black Queens yes omonso ewo Ivory Coast obo sesi omo na anyankofa kense no enso etimi abaso nendra Black Queens for no enso training mama me ade se Black Queens omo training pictures ni bi na fenso yenhwe yes enti endra Coach Kimla and so ene mabawa no training no and so etimi echo so kama no and so and our coach and I just say or cheche and mabawa no de omon so betimi ya ebeboa na friendly gamer ye ne Ivory Coast mabawa no and so ebono bebia etimi akoye nendra after the training and Black Queens for a celebrity and mabawa omanya call up omunyina agi league title and so this season omo club ababawa Stella Nyamiche yes Yenia Bremai Stella Nyamiche and I will celebrating Samson and Louisa and Imwa and our friend so Abigail Kofi Kim also Ernestina Ama Abambila and Ababawa your friend Chantel Butler and also Omunyina Mabawa Chese Ebra almost celebrating Omo say Mabawa Etimiwa Omo class Ama also Etimi Aji League trophy and there's something Stella Nyamiche Ofi Brema here on the chef 14 Jessia. Just say Ojima Bia and so it's because we and so and so Black Queens almost so a camper your boy and so it's me Eddie Ama Nashila and so a player and my Black Stars on the same camera and so actually Africa gamer Ghana and Nigeria boy any kind or Kasafa goalkeeper Benjamin Asan the performance
now, no, second goal now was 23 because I mean whatever no you see like local players more from our World Cup qualifiers and I was getting more from a class of in Ghana Premier League but I don't know because mentally physical, there will be psychological. As I made it clear from the outset, I don't know whether maybe the mistake from the two that happened and also the performance from the Chad and other games. You could see that. Now,
okay. Eno enso Sheila Iliasu and it is Sansam Etudra no Chemupadia or no more company and so edema local players
monitor me, you could see that now. I was canvassing a lot of support for local based players, especially that seems to me. I started knowing him because of what maybe the Ghana Premier League. So that's a game, no. I don't know now because minimum psychological aspect in because from the physical and the mental aspect so I don't know because clearly as a good player you could see that something was wrong, especially two center backs. Because the way we position ourselves, almost say now, we don't even know what was happening. So.
And so Sheila Iliasu on local players, and then Sam Kakra and so etimi atuja Nina Ghana and Nigeria gamer your boy and Yoma and so entimi Ankwe and farmer the Black Stars of Ghana na Alex Menu and so Asante Mantemia Asante Roko supporters na ono and openia oda omano oden Sama atuja Ochemo party coach Karim Zito or ye experienced coach. And so Ghana happen.
Oh yeah, say about the
Eno Alex Menu and Edison Semino and so etimi atu jano no wie no and on say Asante Koko impo se league no omuntimi njia so na omo concentration and so free league ne so and I fin so MTN FA Cup ebebaso on the 15th of June.
So much more concentration on so much on against the rest of the
and so Alex Menu and Edison 72 ja over Asante Mantemi Asante Roko supporters ni nyina ono ena eda omano aso pani and Edison 72 ja no na momma me ade say wonders any RTU match officials no na ena game no enso eba so na wo Accra Legon sports stadium no ene ade say 30 man 11 wonders Omo enso ene RTU ebo playoff gamer wa ube ni biano o qualify about the Ghana Premier League enti referee yawo bless ono ene be center referee enso ewo game nim ene chese bibia enso ebetimi akoye na RTU endra omo enso etimi ekochia yade se chief imam enso ewo na so yenti mo mame RTU omo enso visit to chief imam no na ye hwede wa and also quiet, yes, RTU players, omo technical team, any management, and Chesendra, call chief imam, and so Ekwachi and say, no anima, free tamale, abedroom kraya, Chese omone techima wonders, and so Eba Bontine say omuremu, na Omokwachia, and na openina bibia, and so etimi kama, na amurieno, abrantia, ye freno, Frank Wari, and so Eddie and Sam Etuja. Onu esi akan edema techiman 11 wonders yenti ensema odi tuja awere
talking about strategy I can't see much about them mentioned their players as you can see you don't care to know them as you can see we are doing our best we are focusing on ourselves and ourselves alone forget about you.
And also ensema abrantie Frank Awere ono enso esia kan edema techiman wonders enso etimi edi tuja na endra they say wonders omonso omo final training na omo wie training no eno ma say eno yade se campo aye de papa ene ya 3 p.m. and so ewo Legon University Sports Stadium ena aye Techima 11 Wonders omone RTU and so everybody wa oberi ni no next season obebo Ghana Premier League no na bibia to me akoye eriama Emmanuel Edu yes also waduma we bia tum kama na chese bibia enso ekoye na Andy Dusty sabre o papa eda for o papa Simai entino yebeko na chese bibia enso etimi aye kama ewo KY enti Dusty o papa Simai ene da form ti bia wo bia no some passports ye ma o shedding kese panty sabre de powers atnasia ode konko fo close e da china Europa Champions League Paris Saint-Germain ene eye Inter eno so beba so powers
Orlando bibia boko de
bibia boko
edemiase
yes
edemiase
ene oberu mu adakoja achia na ene final training
ene beko
obeko
ene beko
okay na sorry ni hode
da be ene Friday watch night
nti ukoba na uko
mekọ abansa mekọ koto adakoja achia
nyamisha ahofama wo de nyame adwuma de
watch night den say anajo
different cry ye de ene ntimi ni bebreza
ene yero ose wiro no crepa no ose wiro asasu yesu de se woni aduro dia ose wo ma wo na ye ntente wo yankopon fi
okay se wo mu de obedi amaye o ka tim ne wonti no o kwa no wadi amaye na chese bibia ye kama
Roland Garros no eguso ekoso wo French abonten so na so France abonten so metre ye French Open no na mame ye nyame ya dominate games kakra be koso no monfanto Sompa television no so again Sompa FM no so me nkomo kakra sei ane ebesi akọ nyame ya dom ye 12 o'clock no abaya ne den di aina e Sabalenka any Olga aye Domilific and so bebo enom aye mba ya from games be koso wonim say Jelena Ostapenko any Elina aya Rybakina and so enebo uko mema femna ura first Damil aya Zuhal and Carlos Alcaraz and ebepo and no aya Roland Garros no matcha ebeko so nyame yadom and day bin eguso yade ima yetie for Johnny or Sompa 93.1 again Sompa television so na bibia so ntumi nya kama na wodim so grade day edi Novak Djokovic and ra ojana no so etwa aya quarantine muted na ochano 3-set 6-3 6-2 7-6 na after the game no Novak Djokovic and then some tuta yanko niente Novak Djokovic.
I mean, it was a good match, a good fight, particularly in the third. Things got a little bit complicated with the blister, and that was bothering me for a bit. I ended up the match well, moving well. And playing a great tiebreak. Obviously, atmosphere was electric, especially in that third set. He was close to win it, so the crowd got involved, and it was not much fun for me. Of course, never easy, but I try to stay calm and do what I need to do. And I think I've done that in a really good way. Yeah, you can feel the difference. The crowd is very close, but that's what makes this court Suzanne-Lenglen really interesting for the players as well, and for the crowd, because everything is so
Novak Djokovic and some
more intimate and loud as well. And I always felt like
in the
past that
now
Suzanne-Lenglen get very loud. I think also because the fact that you're experiencing the match from up close gets you involved even more. And I feel like there's even more, I guess, younger people, more children. That's what I noticed. And, so it was fun. I haven't played in Suzanne-Lenglen too many times in the last whatever years, so it was good to
na said I mean second year and say Bruno Fernandes win himself powerhouse edika aye story said £280,000 a week oje e Manchester United almost on be quadruple no omo de betam se 4 at the Amano Omra, Omeshaka or Saudi, Hilal Bobokono, not just around 700,000 pounds a week, and Ogranite, the Bruno Fernandez, no, Obekwa Kwache, Orlando Utmus, Ebinu Yajuma, Awasasi, so, and team so or sign club and or sign at the club now in 3 years. Ne salary nunkwa ebe take £200 million for 3 years and no ayo granddaddy Bruno Fernandes reporter min seka and that intelligent in nyapre or share shakran so betimako at 8:30 akwekwa shaka Hilal sikanti and no ayen somebody be no so to that yagusoi na den sama utonde pa na bibia so atuma yakama me to so konsamfu from home latest on ogranity at Liam Delap Grace Yanko Liam Dillap Australia reporter means second and they said Chelsea officially want to pay the call a £30 million release clause and almost some trigger and to boy no bepa ababe straka the club your friend Samantha I am a Chelsea Bobokono when him Samantha City club no may take so almost express interest I got Liam Dillap but per reporter means second at Chelsea and a leading race no for this boy the ocean was some part television so I know you somebody be so a gusu epa Arsenal ayemre ekwakodum pempen so bi se Gabriel Agbala ho mu nyina no describe Arsenal se enye big team awreho kakra the Gabriel Agbala.
But if you're going on fan base, it's difficult, isn't it? Because West Ham, Chelsea, Arsenal, Spurs, big fan bases.
Big.
But if you go on what they've
say Arsenal
football didn't start. Football didn't start when the Premier League started. Just depends what, like you said. If you're going on fan base, it's difficult, isn't it? Because West Ham, Chelsea, Arsenal, Spurs, big fan bases. But if you go on what they've won, then like depends how far you're going back. Football didn't start. Football didn't start when the Premier League started. Football started way before the Premier League. When you go from Premier League era, Chelsea won more Premier Leagues, 2 Champions Leagues. So you'd say Chelsea, but overall. Arsenal won more trophies, haven't they?
Yeah, and West Ham then, should they be winning more? West Ham, you think about it? Of course.
How have they not? They should have went forward after winning the Conference League. They should have went forward since winning Europa League Conference. They haven't. They've gone backwards. But I just look at Spurs. Great for Spurs winning Europa League. They need to push on as well. But I just think from the Premier League era, I'd say Chelsea are the biggest. 2 Champions Leagues out, outstanding achievement, and also 5 Premier League to Chelsea, Arsenal 3 Premier League titles. So
I wouldn't like to say who's got the biggest fan base. I know we're talking because Spurs are worldwide, Arsenal are worldwide now, and you know Chelsea as well. So it's a difficult one. West Ham, you get West Ham fans anywhere.
But I just think that we've had this debate before, haven't we? Can you call yourself a big club if you haven't won the Champions?
Antonio Conte says opinion confirm at the amount powerhouse or twaso abojuma the Napoli Bobokono. There is a desire to continue building solid foundation for Napoli, moving in the same direction to make the Neapolitans proud and know your coach in Sama or the air to Eja and Sonono and they will share according to Penino Osia Orrero de Laurentiis, president of the club. Wamudin Komo, not Penini the tune and the direction of Napoli, no Osho no su coach, no, the direction and answer the Bia, or person in the coaching a career and so fana, Utmusa the same direction, and almost nam, and Unti Obekoso, Ayajuma, a Diamanda Football Club, and Ayansuman is to entertain, no, when Mr. Reporter Epa, we cry a confirm, Barcelona, no Shak Aya Fabricas Club, your fence a common 1907, and so the ball, and we 1 hamper trophy, no, this year, Damin Saka, Namigo so, Medicine Samauton Adepa, Nabian Sup Atumakonanim, when him stop me Damin Sakan ye, opinion the 10 marks are legri. Remember this story good, Manenda Sunami, no some fen through one sana. Mako Aya, Amianity, Bosa and exactly 1 year. Ever 5 pass a club on 29th of May 2024. Pass season on over. The Champions League be up, but so opening the show, keep putting on breaking into way. Chicago is the team of 100. I had Pastor Tony Caho and a player for your madness of the celebrating boss. It's also when you're penny the pie, but yet a star of football. I pass the apple, power, and they went to me, I'm a place, and so. but transform the lives of Lamine Jamal, Pedri, Gavi, and Rano Bola, so I'm celebrating and know your dad was when I was to that perspective one hamper and also life on Sompa again. Sompa FM now. This sounds incoherently. Come on. The part of Grace means so we are. Young Cassetta come from Max Allegri and they met Maka. Say a confirm good. The ocean a year anopeya. Opinino ako I Melanino Honmo Archer, where your time are orem a sign the contract onunye ntipenino dabi where your agent no and edinachino and what you be say AC Milan penny for so buy enti openino good or no and now bonetile also ni jacket a kekashim kama when ye juma or babaye diama AC all is done for opening or babaye coach and some to me diama AC Milan club no until detention urem ewo Asia wamu coach Francis Sergio Conceição enra mpenifo aboni naso to mapamno Max Allegri pano me patro de tenye and it's just after the meeting with Giorgio Feloni on we CEO for the club Iglital sporting director Ogra Francis Giovanni Aya Brancinini wamo sampenifo no anakoya deal no enso etumi go through and no ayan somebody be no so to try you so get and some I would try to pana bibian so to my come now. Mami Celta Vigo, wamonso diamoye nanra. Celta Vigo, mama, oma qualify for a conference league. A conference league no ma qualify. And your Champions League crab and ra. Wamonso wamuye way, omu di open top air bars. Omu di nam krum, ewe Spain abontenso, obia enso Antonio Famomo, esansa no ma kwe de ma club no ma qualify. E kwa kobo Europa League. Next season, I know you're dear to the day. You go so I don't want some out to the Panabiansono. Etum Ayakama 9:30. Yaba. Memo 2 teams no PSG and Inter Milan. Wamos arrangement ahead of Etina a UEFA Champions League final. Ebetum Abaso. No gonna Danny Lautaro Martinez. And I'll say Omugama Mopoye against Club Barcelona semi-final. Edu Wano or I felt destroyed. My leg was hurting badly. The muscles has relaxed and I was in ton of pain. Then, with adrenaline on the pitch, it passed. But then, for 2 days after, I couldn't lift my leg. And we Lautaro Martinez good. The ocean was some part television as well sama or the Atu Ejanano and the game and Ebekoso no your fate. No oti pens oti yaw kakra ewe ni nenu ba so okoko jamu di bo edema Inter Milan boboko no na odu pitch no so hawa emma etondom adema no se obiba Martinez fa hu nyina to fom oku no ho apple game no owie ni nine kra no ntimi mpeja enu ye boy we ensama odi atu etwa and ye gusrede ensam ahoto de me yetiefo egodwumete no so Champions League final Penibia kasa ne some ye simple goalkeepers ni Jan Soma and goalkeeper ni Teddy Gigi and Donnarumma so two goalkeepers no and so and a better why and a better Champions League nyame yatuma echina when said this is the second time ayenya Champions League final, one from Italy, one from France. One airship our finals war and no it's in 1993 it's with the same venue Germany Allianz Arena and no Olympic Marseille against AC Milan. Marcel AC Milan 1-0. Yamiya to my china, San Ebesiako, Donnarumma agent and the D at the Enzo Riola at the 2 powers and Mr. So and you're uncertain the future of Gianluigi Donnarumma simple or better social academy PhD and also be free club in the and so a different club only time will tell and no agent friends Enzo Riola no and some of their 2 powers and many so yeah the story is out on Enzo de pa they be so etuma koso nyame yadoma 9:30 ya be san so be share ya be transia dia kam nyina so no wo power house de beba they be so etum akoso Orlando Ejekum Blankson what an local issues and so producer ya Mr. Work MCL Emmanuel Hall nyame yadoma 9:30 on mahini you do what you pay full time.
Age the bridge. There's nothing worse than having your multi-bet missing. But there's nothing better than having it saved. Bet Saver. Win even if your bet misses.